today we'll talk about how can you disable this sign or know how you can do that on your app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your pay by phone app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, you just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then all you have to do now, so you just click here on account settings, click on it here. So when you just click here on account settings, it's going to take you to next step here. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, just click here on parking notifications here. Then it's going to take you to this list. Come here to email receipts, click in this sign or this color. Like you see here, color, it's gone. That's mean email receipts notifications disable with us now. That's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking.